Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated seating, integrated trailer braking system, dual glove boxes. Truck has the black leather heated seats with the Kalahari inserts and of course AT4 up in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package. We have the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 in the front door and 6.2 liter on the front fender. The AT4 does come with the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, a little bit larger than the conventional 1500s. LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, fog lights. The AT4 color-matched grille, as well as skid plates and red tow hooks. Making our way back down the side here, rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab. Truck is equipped with remote start. At the back, we have dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. In-seat storage feature, a solid rear window with defrost, black headliner, solid roof, LED lighting, dual USB ports and 12 volt, and the rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts from the factory. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.